What?
I would watch.
Rub it like it's sore.
Yes.
But like it's hot.
Yes.
Shabash.
One shop in Kala Ghoda. It has really like antique
Yeah, yeah.
pieces.
It's giving
Yeah.
Zivame.
We have four.
पूछा क्या? Door, he mi fossi sol lot di do. Do re mi fa sol la di do.
I have 5. Ritika now has 3.
2.
Ritika now has 2.
Oh my god.
Hi guys, I'm Dhritika.
I'm Sanjana.
I'm Srishti.
And I am Zia.
And we are Besharam.
Guys, we've seen the recent comments and we just want to tell you how much we love you and how much we freaking care about
Yep.
what you have to watch. So today we have another game because you've been loving that stuff. You've been loving when
We fight.
we fight and we're together, and we've also been seeing the comments of how Zitika is actually the best team on Besharam.
Little foreshadowing, but
yeah.
Ritika wins in whichever team she goes to.
Yeah, yeah.
So
No, now you guys are not paired together. Now we
No, no,
are
no.
paired
This is foreshadowing for another episode that's gonna come.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay if you guys don't watch it, honestly.
Shut up.
together. Watch it, please.
Well, anyway, so since Ditika and I are just so fantastic at games, we've just realized that okay, we need to give the losers a chance. So this is the slow demise of Zitika is
We'll be
starting
back.
to happen. We will be back for sure, and on public demand, though, we'll do anything.
Yeah,
So
we're
you
not
let
so
us know if
losers.
you want Zitika back down in the comments right now, and while you're down there, subscribe, do all the good stuff. But for today, we have had to switch up the teams just a little bit.
Yeah, because we wanna see how compatible the other set of people also are. In
The
this.
losers, basically.
The compatibility.
But now it's gonna be Zia and me and Srishti and Dhritika teamed up.
We need Zanjana?
Yuck.
No.
No.
We're so good. We're
Sia,
Srutika.
though we are
No,
not.
Ritika.
Sia, we
Sia,
are not
not
keeping.
Sia.
We're Srutika.
Sianjana. Zianjana.
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 Zianjana sounds like a fancy, like a.
She knows what she's doing.
anti-tarnished jewelry. But
Brand. It's like a very
brand,
cool
yeah.
brand name. I
you
love
know that one shop in
So-
one shop in Kala Ghoda? That's like really like it has really like antique
Yeah, yeah.
pieces.
It's giving
Yeah.
Zivame
Yeah,
in
yeah.
a way.
So niche that people don't know about it.
Antique
Antique
store
store
से
से हम
हम
lingerie पे आ गए.
हाँ और तू
Lingering.
क्या बोल रही
But okay, guys, today we're playing the game of Incoherent.
Make
Whoa,
some
whoa, whoa,
noise.
whoa. Okay, so I'm
Make some
gonna
noise because it's a party game, guys.
yes, I'm gonna just list down the rules of this game. So we have 3 categories. There's blue, yellow, and red. Now the blue stands for the party category. The yellow stands for the pop culture category, and red stands for kinky.
Okay.
We're getting kinky down here. But yeah, basically how this goes is we'll have a little over a minute until this gets completely full, like goes down. It's okay, it's okay. And
This is the first time she's seen a.
yeah,
What are one of those called?
Hourglass.
hourglass. Yes. So suppose now Zia and I are a team and Srishti and Ritika are a team. So for the first round, I will show Zia one card and she has to guess what the correct statement or the word is. Okay?
It's basically gibberish on the card.
It's basically, yeah, it is. It's phonetics. And we have to guess what the statement or the word says. There'll be the first round where Zia will guess, then it'll get passed. And in this entire time, we can guess how many ever cards we can. Okay, how many ever we can. Then it'll be passed on to the next team. And suppose Srishti is guessing this one, it'll go to her. And then the next round, I will guess. And in the 4th round, Dhritika will guess. So there'll be 4 rounds for each category. And if you still didn't understand, just watch us play
Play
and
it,
then you'll
yeah.
figure it
You'll
out.
get
It's
it.
pretty easy.
Yeah. All right, guys. So
Zianjana.
Zianjana is not working. We are
too
cunty
long.
aunties.
Cunty aunties.
We're cunty aunties, actually.
I love
we-
that.
Team cunty auntie. Guys, let us know down in the comments if you think Team cunty auntie is gonna win. We will.
What should we name us?
Dumb fox.
Losers.
Losers. Yeah, that's good. I
fuck with it
That's
hard.
it. I fuck with it so
We are
hard.
we are Zabardast Jodi.
Zabardast Jodi.
Sounds like a wedding planner.
Sure.
Yeah. We will
Has
we will get you all divorced. Don't worry.
any
Worst client
Zabardast
base.
any Kanti auntie and Zabardast Jodi in the same room, Zabardast Jodi will always pale in comparison.
Yes.
We'll say
Every
that.
single time.
We'll say that.
It will.
We're not the ones to talk. We're just the ones to play.
All
You're
talk.
not the ones
Sure.
I'll see.
Yeah.
I'll
You'll
fucking
see.
see. I'll fucking
I'll
see.
make sure you see.
Gibberish is all I gibberish is all I hear. So should we start with party?
Let's start. This is hurting, but I'm committed to this now.
It's you have to be committed.
I have to be
Auntie, no.
committed.
Auntie.
Kaya, this is
becoming
damn
very
bad.
cunty, auntie.
This is very cunty, actually.
Yes. Okay.
No,
Do you
में
want
तेल
to
लगा
guess
के आओ.
first? Do you want to let me?
I'm fine with whatever you want, babe.
No, let's pick out who gets to go first.
Okay, let's flip
Which
a coin.
team?
How?
Huh.
Oh, let's do this.
Okay, majority.
Majority
wins.
Majority
wins.
wins.
The one who wins goes
No,
first.
whoever's the odd one out goes first.
That's
That's
literally
not
what I said.
majority wins. That's a majority.
Majority loses.
Majority
Okay,
loses.
fine.
Yeah.
Majority
Majority
loses.
Then
Okay.
let's do majority loses.
Majority loses.
Majority loses.
You lose.
Yay.
No, she won. So now
So
we
you all
get
get
go
to start.
first.
Yes. So blue, right? Yeah.
So Srishti is guessing right now. Is it okay? You're good with
Yeah,
that?
yeah.
So let me know when you want to start.
Opposition team keeps an eye on the timer.
Yes,
Yeah.
we are locked in.
Yeah.
3,
Two.
2, 1.
Heart seltzer, heart seltzer, heart seltzer. Seltzer. Heart seltzer.
Okay.
Male stripper, male stripper. Bottle service. Bottle service. Fist
Okay.
dump humping. Fist humping. Fist dump. Fist dub humping. Fist dub humming. Fist dub humping. Pass.
Correct.
Burger roll.
Burger.
Burger roll.
Tell me your
Burger roll. Burger roll. Burger roll. Burger all.
Party.
Burger roll.
You can give only
Party.
one hint.
Okay.
The category is party, baby.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Drunk texting. Drunk texting.
Okay.
Sundays carries. Sundays carries. Sundays carries. Sundays.
And we are
You're saying it. You're saying
Sundays
Five.
carries.
Wow.
Sunday is scary.
Four.
it. You're saying it.
Sunday.
Shut up.
No.
You can't do that.
Okay,
Sunday
okay.
is scary. Sunday is scary. Pass. CP'd.
Done.
In मारेंगे अभी तू देख.
Bolo up.
ठीक है, when you all said no, we stop.
We said no. You said no. We stop.
Yeah, you said
No,
no, we
that's
stop.
basic common sense, right?
that
Nahi
is not
bolna
a
hai.
strategy.
She's enunciating.
That's a
We are
strategy.
also-
You
Okay,
said
strategy.
no.
We are
We'll
fucking
also
entertaining the
strategize.
fucking
You said no, we
audience.
stopped.
Okay, we'll entertain.
Sure.
We'll also
But when we say
entertain
no, you all
करेंगे.
stop because we stopped.
We'll see.
Yeah.
Oh, then we'll
Fuck
see.
entertaining is
Sandra,
the
we don't
Okay.
need it.
Yeah.
We're the only two competent people here. Let's be so
Literally,
honest.
literally. Okay, Shrishti won those, so Shrishti gets those. Okay.
You wanna guess first? You wanna? What do you wanna do?
You guess first.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
All right, guys. I'm about to lock in.
Yeah, for sure.
And yeah, let's do it. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
Dahabox. No, Srushi, that's not.
That's not okay.
That's not cool.
That's entertaining, no?
Hot-box. Hotboxing.
Yes.
Felt entertaining.
Spend a bottle. Spend a bottle. Spend a bottle. Spend.
You
it
close.
Or.
Yes.
Spend a bottle.
Yes.
Spend a bottle. Spin the bottle.
Yes.
Bogs do I'm. Bogs do I'm.
You're saying it.
Bogs do I'm. Bogs do I'm.
No.
But give me the hint. Give me the hint.
Franzia.
What the fuck?
Cheap but gets the job done.
Bongs.
No. Skip.
Bogs you
Skip.
Skip. Furloco.
Yes.
Foloco.
Yes.
Sunday Funday.
Yes.
Tapithageg. Tapithageg. Tap it again.
No.
Tap
Done.
it. Oh.
Okay. We have 4.
We have 4 guys.
We also have 4.
Okay, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Did we ask?
We have 4.
पूछा क्या?
क्या हमने भी पूछा था क्या?
बताया. बताने का मन था. इसलिए बताया.
वो लास्ट वाला क्या था?
बताने का
Tap the keg.
मुझे क्या पता
और
यार.
Yeah,
वो और
no,
वो
same.
boxed wines था.
Boxed
Hint
wine.
कितना
मैं
फालतू था.
दारू पीते भी नहीं
ना
यार.
फालतू hint था उसका.
Yeah, no. Like, what is
Yeah.
Franzia?
What the fuck is the long sentence either?
I don't know.
Gets the
It
job
was
done.
Franzia, guys. Let's be honest. It's an American game. Franzia is probably a brand.
Okay.
Could be, yeah.
Could be.
Yeah.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Oh, whoa.
Okay.
All right.
3, 2, 1.
Pinch ring gang. 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 Pass. अरे
She can't
Sorry,
see.
sorry, sorry.
Barrel Olympics. Paralympics.
पार्टी में. बिल्कुल.
Grafter beer. Grafter beer. Craft beer.
I'm happy for her.
Hawk toad bear vest. Hawk toad
I think you should pass.
bear vest. Hawk toad bear vest.
पास करना है.
पास कर दे. Drop it like it's hot.
What? Yes. Yes.
Drop it like it's.
No, you're saying it. You're letting
Drop it like it's hot.
Yes.
Drop it.
Yes.
Drop it like it's hot.
Yes. Shabash.
शाबाश किचरा.
Shotgun ink pair. Shotgun ink pair. Shotgun ink pair. Shotgun ink pair. Shotgun ink. I'm so bad at this.
Good. Yesterday.
out.
Shotgun. Right?
Shotgunning a beer.
Shotgunning a beer.
Done. Okay.
All right. These
need
are your.
to-
Bad. No, shotgunning a beer you didn't get, no?
No,
None
yeah,
of those
these are
we
the
get.
past
Oh, okay,
ones. Yeah.
sorry.
Past is here. Okay. So like,
Now,
Zia,
Sanj,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is your time to shine.
this is my time to shine.
You are.
I was born for this moment.
You were born for this moment. You were,
Literally.
yeah. Your parents raised you better than this.
They have. I hope.
All right.
Okay.
Do you want to do any ritual before we start? I mean,
Okay.
yeah, you're gonna be better than them for
Yeah,
sure.
yeah.
मच्छर मार ली और
Moncheese. Moncheese. Mongenes. Moncheese. Moncheese. Munchies.
Exactly.
Soggy pom. Soggy pom. Soggy pom. Soggy pom. Soggy pom. Soggy pom.
Do you want a hint?
Yes.
Beer cocktail. Beer cocktail.
Sogger. Sog. Pass.
Pass. Sake bomb.
Met tickle may one her. Met tickle may one her. Meticulous one her.
Yeah.
Meticle may one her. Meticle.
Medical marijuana. Medical marijuana.
Posh. Power.
Bro, she has to say it.
Power.
Power.
I think you should let it go.
Let it go.
Power.
Hank of a cure. Hank of a cure.
Hank of a kid.
Hangover. Hangover cure.
Good.
Apia war. Apidilin. Apia war. Apia war. Apia war. Apia war. Apia war. Apia war. Apia war.
Party.
Done.
Apia war.
Done.
Happy hour?
Oh.
Happy hour?
Done.
How'd you put up with this shit? How'd you put up with this shit?
Okay, wait. We got 2. It's okay. It's okay.
How much did we get on
2.
Yeah.
Four, two. Okay,
Alright.
so this brings us to the end of the party round for now. Now we're going on to the
Sanjana.
next.
Sanjana.
Then we're going on to the next category, which is pop culture.
Pop culture. ये trash में.
Okay. So at the end of round 1 of the first category, Srishti has 4 cards, Zia has 4 cards, Dhritika has 2 cards, and I have 2 cards, which makes it equal cards for both teams. 6 cards on each team.
Cards on each team.
Okay. Now we go to round category 2,
Move this away.
which is pop culture.
Culture.
Okay. So do you guys want to go
Now
ahead?
you guys go
Oh हाँ,
first.
I'm gonna. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
अच्छा
हाँ,
ऊपर
हाँ,
वाला हटा
बराबर
देंगे.
है.
क्या है?
You put your hand here.
Okay.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1.
Humble Borag, Humble Borag, Humble Borag, Humble Borag, Humble Borag, Humble Borag,
Enunciate a little bit better.
Humble Borag, Humble Borag, Humble, Humpull, board rag, hump. I can't.
Pass.
Pass.
Ham, iron, speaker, ham, iron, speaker.
You're there. You're
Ham, iron,
there.
Speaker.
You're there. The hint is
Ham,
loud phone.
Ham, iron, speaker. I'm on speaker.
A little bit better.
I'm on the speak. I'm on speaker. I'm on speaker. Pass.
You should say the correct one after.
Vads, Thor, vibe, a sword. Vads, Thor, vibe, a sword. Vads, Thor,
The
vibe.
hint is internet.
Thor, vibe, a sword. Vads, Thor. Pass.
Vads.
That's so pushy. That's so pushy. That's so mushy. That's so pushy.
Think more.
So
Hint is
pushy.
expensive. Look at the word.
That's so pushy. That's so.
Can I give you a hint? Bandra.
Bandra. It's a cafe.
bougie? That's so bougie.
Thank you.
You can't say it's a.
Done,
You
done,
can't
done.
say
we
that.
Are done. We are done.
Oh my god.
This is so bad. How is this pop
And
culture?
guys,
Yeah.
like, before that's so bougie. Like, am I on
Don't look
speaker?
at the word and try to
Ham-
figure out.
so
With the
I-
hint also.
I got many of them. Sure.
Mm-hmm.
See, I'm on speaker. Humble brag.
I'm
Humble
on
brag-
speaker. I said I'm on speaker.
Am I on
Am
speaker?
I on
Humble
speaker?
brag is something people would say on Twitter. Like millennials would say this on Twitter, right?
Yeah,
so
so
that's
now
why
I
it's
don't
pop
know that.
culture.
Yeah.
So humble brag. Anyway, guys, say
Pass.
the
Pass.
thing because people are watching. People are also wondering what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Do
you're.
you want to guess?
Yeah.
All right. So now Sanjana's gonna guess, and she's gonna. Guys, this is where our BuzzFeed will shine.
Yes. Oh my god.
This is where our BuzzFeed will shine. Sanjana, you gotta lock in.
I
right?
have to. I
Yeah.
have to. Okay. Three,
Okay. 3,
2, 1. That he issues. Daddy issues.
Yep.
This was easy.
Quack his sex draw. Quack his sex draw. Quake his sex draw. Quack his sex draw. Quack his sex draw.
Hint is Chipotle.
Guacamole. Guacamole sex draw. Guacamole dip. Dip and draw. Pass.
Okay. Guac is extra.
Fuck off. Door, he mi fossi sol lot di do. Do re mi fa sol la di do. What Charlie Booth?
These are
Charlie Booth.
Comparatively
Charlie Booth. Shut up. Charlie Booth. Charlie Booth.
Yes.
Fucking easy. Subic ink mile hangwich. Subic
Done.
ink.
done.
Speaking my language.
Okay.
Oh, you
This
got
is
three.
good. This is good.
This is great. This is great. I can't wait to do this.
Yeah.
I hate this.
You have to
Lock in.
You gotta lock in.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay.
Guac is extra. Come on. It's
Guac
so
is extra,
It's
yaar.
so
Sex
millennial.
One.
Drop.
Okay.
3,
2.
2, 1.
They can warn for Thadim. They can warn for Thadim. They can warn for
Okay. Hint. Leader quality.
pass.
Taking
I
one
don't
for
want
the
to
team.
take
Taking
one
one
for
for
the
the
team.
team.
Okay. Can you hem meow me? Can you?
Hint. Split the bill.
You can't say the hint so soon.
Okay.
Let her ask
And
you.
you
Can
will always
hem
say,
meow
okay.
me? Can you? Can you hem meow me? Can you hem meow me? Can you enmo me?
Yes.
Yes. You got it.
Sir Hyde hustle. Side hustle.
Yay!
Fair if I'd hook hound. Fair if I'd hook hound. Fair if I'd hook hound.
Yes. You're saying it.
Fair
You're saying
if
it.
I'd hook hound. Fair if.
Hint?
Fair if. Yeah.
Blue check mark.
Fair if I'd hook hound.
Blue mark.
Done.
Verified
Verified
account.
Verified account.
Oh,
Verified
fuck.
How good? I forgot what it was called. I was like blue tick. I remembered Instagram, but
Fuck.
So
Anyway,
Dustika
how would at least
again
three.
got 2 of them, and I'm actually quite excited for this. But I think the
Hey, what
word
did I get? I got one.
oh yeah, you got those. No, I guessed these.
Yours
Yeah.
is not done yet.
Mine is done na, Baba. First
No.
only. First only I got done.
Yeah.
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 What are the cards? Oh, you put. Oh yeah, we
No,
were zero.
you did
No,
zero.
I didn't.
Yeah, you
guess
didn't
any.
get even one.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
didn't
the
guess
last
any.
one. Yeah, the
Yeah,
last
yeah,
one
yeah.
also.
Okay, so
Fuck.
Zia,
Yeah, so Dhritika got to this round, and Sanjana, how many did you
Three.
get?
Three.
She got 3. Now it's my turn, and I am afraid that these are too complicated.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I might get them, but they might be too complicated for me. But
Yes.
I have to lock in, guys. Pray for me, please.
okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hinsakrapamshin. Instagram caption.
Yes.
Facebook of his shawl. Facebook of his shawl. Facebook official.
Yes.
Colebrook of he. Colebrook coffee. Cold brew coffee.
Yes.
These are so fucking easy, man.
Pixar hit tin tap pen. Pixar hitting tap pen. Pixar hitting tap. Can you give me the hint?
Picture proof.
Picture hitting tap pen. Fuck it. Hey Siri.
Yeah.
Hey Siri.
Yes.
Politically, don't move.
Sorry.
Politically incorrect. Politically incorrect. Sure, gore free. Sure, gore free.
Done. Done.
Sugar free.
Sugar free.
Oh my god, you got 5.
But this was done. So
Yeah, no, we're not
No,
taking
not
this.
taking that, baby.
Chill. This was
so very-
Pixar. It didn't happen.
Pixar didn't
Pixar
happen.
it
You
didn't
almost
happen.
But you did great. You
Yeah,
did 5.
Yeah,
You did-
she did too.
But they were fucking easy.
That's what
Yeah.
happens sometimes.
good. We are getting very dumb.
Yeah, we're just lucky.
Guys, low-key,
We're just lucky.
Not even lucky. Like I guess yours also, dude. So guys, again, I'm sorry to say this, but I am really good at these games, and I am in the lead. So I have 5. This one has 2.
It's we.
Dhritika has 2. Sanjana, how many do you have?
3.
3. So that makes us 8.
8.
And for
So she's
them,
at
it
0.
makes
No, wait. First, we have to take a full count. And
Say
then
it like we did in the
combine-
first round.
Yeah. And
Alright,
then
individual,
combine
individual.
your score.
Second round.
Yeah.
Second round.
So for the second round, the pop culture round, I have 5. Dhritika now has 3.
2.
Sorry. Dhritika now has 2. Sanjana has a 3. And Srishti has, would you like to tell them?
0.
0.
Fortunately.
I will redeem myself.
She will.
Yes,
redeem
yes,
herself. I
sure,
hope
sure.
she does. But yeah,
Sure.
that puts Sanjana and I yet
In the
again
lead.
in the lead. Let's continue this momentum.
Yeah.
It's like it's my
anchor.
favorite round.
Yeah,
Continue
it
this
comes
momentum.
out sometimes.
Dude,
It
dude,
just
come on.
comes out.
We have to get
When
this.
you're like trying to fill in the
Yeah,
gaps, the
dude.
awkward silences. I love it.
हो गया?
तू दूसरे
Favorite round kinky आ रहा है नदर.
अरे kinky.
दुश्मनों से दोस्ती मत कर.
Guys, ये round में
हगने वाली हूँ.
हगने वाली हूँ. इसीलिए.
Okay. So now for the third round, we're going on the kinky category. And Srishi is going to be guessing and Dhritika is going to be showing the card. 3, 2, 1.
Not safe for working. Not safe for work. Not safe for work. Not safe for naughty. Not your for. Not safe for work. Not safe for work.
You're saying
You want the
it.
hint?
Yeah.
Adults only.
Not safe for work.
Enunciate a little bit better.
Not safe for work. Not safe for work. Not.
Just fucking keep it. God!
Give it on me. Give it on me. Give it on me.
Bro, this is
Give it on me. Give it on me.
it's so difficult. इनको कितने इसी में.
Give it to me.
Yeah.
Thank God.
What do you want tell? Do odd do and tell. Do odd do and tell. Do what you want tell. Do what you want. Full high yang solo. Full high yang solo. Full high and solo. Full high yang solo. Jaldi. Heated tank witted. Heated tank. Hit it and witted. Witted.
You're almost
Hit it
there.
and witted. Hit it and
You're almost there.
hit it and Lick it. Whip it. Whip
I
it.
read here.
Hit it. ये दे.
One time. Hint
Think
is one
about
time.
kinky stuff also.
Hit it and whip it. Whip it.
सृश अरे खत्म हो गया है
भाई खत्म हो गया.
Shit, what was that?
Hit it and quit it.
Hate it.
Then quit it. ए एक और मिला था.
एक ही मिला था
एक ही मिला था मेरी जान. Camera गवाह है. Okay. So I will be guessing now
Yeah.
from our team, Sanjana and me.
Yes.
And let's see if I am able
you
to
will
get it.
I feel this will be an education for you
This is sex ed, guys. This is all I get. All right. Three, two, one. Let's start. Popping touchery. Popping touchery. Popping, bopping, popping touch. Popping touchery. Pass.
first timer
Virgin.
Say, explain the word.
Fake orgasm.
yes
His cat not in her ear. His cat is not in her. His catin ought in her ear. His cat is caught in her. Caught.
yes
Caught.
kinky
Yes.
kinky kinky
नहीं आता. Fornicating.
Yep.
Spermadon. Spur of the moment.
Yep.
Spur of the moment is kinky.
Yes, it is.
Spermadon.
hint baby charity
Spermadon.
Done. Done.
sperm donor
Sperm donor.
and
Oh my god.
the previous two were his cat in hot inner here is it's getting hot in here
It's getting hot in here.
and first timer
Popping the
Popping the cherry.
You almost said it.
मुझे चेरी का मतलब ही नहीं पता.
When someone else is saying it, no, that's when you're
Exactly.
realizing it.
अरे मुझे चेरी आता ही नहीं.
भाई यार ठीक है चिल्ला मत बाद में समझाऊंगी तुझे
कल समझेगा तुझे.
जी कल भी नहीं समझेगी टाइम लगेगा थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा
1-2 साल तो लगेगा.
okay so we got two love that
We got two. तूने तो किया.
तू रुक अभी. तू रुक.
okay so
है.
now
This was such a disappointment round, yaar.
yeah no it is now Dhritika has to guess let's see how well Dhritika does okay are we ready
Come on, you gotta go show them how seasoned you are.
Zabardast the what
Jodi.
Zabardast Jodi
Zabardast Jodi.
so unmemorable
Cunty aunties are winning.
3 अरे
Turn, हाँ.
हाँ 3 2 1 sorry
Hunk like a horse. Hunk like a horse. Hunk like a horse. Hunk like a horse. Pass.
Hung like a horse.
Hung like a horse.
I
Yeah.
don't fucking know that. Jake Wad Yum Amakevyo. Jake Wad. Pass, bro. That's too fucking long.
Yeah.
Hut.
Shake what your mama gave.
yeah.
The fuck? Pictic hurt she. Pictic. I don't know Pictic.
Hint.
Big dick energy. Yes. Yes. I want you all to myself.
Yes.
I want you all to myself. Yes.
Yay!
Anal sex. Town of hug. Down to fuck. Yes. Safe word. Safe word. Cold. Golden shower. Yes. 69.
भाई छा गई तू छा गई
But the timer had gone off
Yeah.
long back. We
But-
were just enjoying.
yeah we were actually enjoying ourselves way too much मुझे
Massive
मुझे इसको
respect.
count करना है 1
Wow.
2 3 4 5 6 अरे
Dude, that's the best anyone's ever done. Actually, ever
yeah
in life.
I don't think I have collectively also 7 cards
I don't think people have had this much sex.
yeah 7 times too much
Who's going next?
She's
किंकी
speechless.
टाइम के बाद गरम लग रहे हो उसको
गरम लग रहे.
समझा ना तेरे को
Chaira, you have to go.
मजा आ गया.
मजा आ गया bro okay
Two
those are
for- वो हटा
outside.
दे पास.
मैं उसको
What
मैं-
were those two?
अभी मैं संजना को
Shake it
दूंगी.
like your mama gave, yeah.
popping my cherry
Hung like a horse.
Didn't fucking know that at
Yeah.
all.
Okay.
बाकी सब पता है तुझे.
Anal sex. Golden shower. 69.
सूसू आती है बस.
Big dick energy.
बिगड़े गए. अब मम्मी को बताऊं. हाँ. ये सब पता है.
I feel like Monica and friends saying 7.
7 cards भी है. अरे शाबाश. चलो. Lame.
Yeah, very lame.
Fuck off.
Okay.
2.
3, 2, 1. Now Sanjana go.
Reverse cowgirl.
Yes.
Favorite. Bop, login, drop it. Bop it and drop it. Bop it like you drop it. Bop, login, drop it. Bop, login, bop, pop it and drop it. Fuck it.
Pop,
Okay,
lock
fuck.
and drop it.
I didn't know that.
Oh wow.
I'll hike, Pigfoot, Sand Ike, and ought lie. I like Pigfoot. I like big butts and I cannot lie. Yes. Treason.
Come on.
Treason.
Come on.
Treason. Shut up.
Come on.
Treason. क्या है? It's kinky. Treason.
Sanjana, you know this.
Treason.
Sanjana.
Yes.
Threesome.
You're saying treason. I'm saying treason. Okay. Three.
नहीं किया है इसने guys.
कुछ नहीं किया है. No, if I say it like that, then it'll look odd. It looks suspicious.
कितने मिले संजना को इस राउंड में? संजना को 3
Three.
मिले. मुझे शायद 2 मिले हैं. सृष्टि बताना है तुझे. एक ही मिला और धृतिका को
एक साथ.
7.
वापस करते हैं ना, एक और राउंड
एक
करते हैं.
Yes,
एक्चुअली मुझे
सृष्टि
तेरे लिए
needs
इतना
to
बुरा लग रहा है.
हाँ. और मुझे अपने आप पर अब कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है तो आई
Yeah.
कैन
Srishti
अरे,
needs to redeem herself.
हमारे देश में इसको बिगिनर्स लक बोलते हैं.
वो तुम्हारा हो गया था जब तुमको बहुत सारे
आई
कार्ड्स
एम गुड
मिले.
एट दिस.
चलो.
दो
तेरा
कार्ड
तो
दिख रहे.
हम-
दो कार्ड दिख रहे.
हम-
दो कार्ड दिख रहे तेरे.
ओ,
तेरे
ते-
2 कार्ड दिख रहे.
तेरा
तेरे
टाइम
2
खत्म
कार्ड
हो गया.
दिख
तेरा
रहे.
टाइम खत्म हो
तेरे
गया.
2 कार्ड दिख
देख
रहे.
भाई भिड़ लूंगी मैं.
तेरे 2 कार्ड दिख रहे. बोल
दिख तो रहे ना. तेरी टीममेट के देख कितने दिख रहे हैं. Crazy.
भिड़ो.
वो अकेली उनो खेल सकती है.
वो अकेले ही खेलती है.
Okay.
उसके आसपास लोग होते तो ये सब करती है.
Anal sex.
69.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Nipple piercing. Gag reflux.
No, say it right.
Gag reflex.
Yes.
Sexual hold in chin. Sexual in chin. Sexualizing. Wet ass bussin. Wet ass pussy. Monogamy. Circumcision. Yes. Hip panting.
ये क्या करती है ये?
Calm head at tea. Pass. Lap dance. Who had dreams? Wild dreams.
No.
Who had dreams?
Yes.
Wet dreams.
And
Time.
Okay. Good.
Good, bro. This
Good
was the
job.
most.
That was good.
That was the most. This is the most anyone got.
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7 crore. Imagine if
What
KBC
was
was this.
Need.
I would watch.
Happy ending.
Happy ending.
Sexual tension.
Sexual
and
tension.
Call me daddy.
Call me daddy.
How the fuck did I not get that?
Yeah. You were almost there at sexual tension.
She's mad at herself, guys.
Yeah, dude.
Whoa.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you guessing?
I'll let you guess first.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Sanjana.
Denhinged Hildo. 10-inch dildo.
Yes.
Oh. Boat deck hall. Boat deck hall. Pass.
Booty call.
Oh.
Aphead rail. Aphead rail.
I think you should let it go.
Let it go.
Happy trail.
Try-fin. Try-eve-fin. Drive-in? Pass.
Dry heaving.
Townandurdhi. 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 Townandurdhi.
Maybe try a different kind of pronunciation.
Town?
Hint is not up or clean.
Pass.
Down and dirty.
Oh.
Knocked up. Knocked up.
Yes.
Ejaculation. Ejaculation.
Yes.
Yes. Done.
Okay.
Okay.
This is nice. Sloppy seconds. Alright, so
Okay, we got
Sanjana
3.
got 3. It's not 7, Sanjana.
It's not. You can redeem yourself. Can you?
Which me?
You
This
can.
is- Can I do pop culture?
We're sticking to this. Let's do this.
If I do pop culture, I'll get 7.
Okay.
अब आया ना ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे
अबे तेरा
बोल आगे बोल
मैं नहीं बोलूंगी. It's a family friendly show, guys.
And we're doing this. For
10
2
inch.
rounds.
For 2 rounds.
10-inch dildo.
Wait, this is sex ed.
Yeah.
This is sex
This is
ed.
imp.
हमारे टाइम पे जो सेक्स एड हमने ली थी इंटरनेट से उससे तो बेटर ही है.
better.
इंटरनेट
Much
से
better.
सिर्फ नहीं लिए. हमने टेस्ट दिए. तू फर्स्ट आई है उसमें.
ओ मुझे लगा ये इनकॉग्निटो की
Where
बात
is
कर
that?
रही थी.
You've come first in the test.
Congrats.
Yeah, thanks.
You should be winning this.
मुझे पसंद नहीं.
Who's guessing?
You are
I'm
guessing.
You are guessing.
Yeah.
Okay, are we ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Sick shoe well lint hair gores. Sick shoe well lint. Sexual lint lined hair gores. Fuck it. I don't know.
Sexual intercourse.
Oh yeah. What the fuck?
Yuck.
Fillet. Fillet afford condom. Fillet afford condom. It's condom. Some condom. Fillet
Hey,
of
you
fish.
can't do that.
Fillet. I said fillet of fish condom.
fish
Pass,
condoms
pass,
would
pass,
be
pass,
great.
pass,
Flavored
no
condom.
flavor. Okay.
Flavored condom.
Harried hose. Harried hose. Harried hose. Harried hose. Daily dose. Harried hose. Harried hose. Self.
नहीं आएगा छोड़.
Full hurting. Full hurting. Flirting. Yes.
Thank God.
Thank you.
इतना time हुआ है.
Birthday's eggs. Birthday sex. Yes.
आ रहा.
Bubble butt.
What? ये नहीं आएगा छोड़.
Bubble butt.
Okay. Glory hull. Glory hull. Glory hull.
Done.
Glory hull.
Glory hole.
Oh, I don't fucking know
Glory.
that.
Time.
2. Not bad.
Birthday sex.
Glory hole.
God
Glory
fucking.
hole.
It's like a hole in the wall where people stick their dicks in and then you can either blow it or like.
I
Yeah.
thought a glory hole
It's
was.
usually in a public toilet.
I thought a glory hole was like used to describe like a
Really
whore.
good vagina.
No, like a whore.
Oh.
Just anybody.
But I'm so glad it's associated with a man.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely.
Well, now it's. Oh wait, yeah.
Wait, now. Wait.
Yeah, it's
I
She's
haven't
guessed.
guessed yet.
Ah,
I
correct,
haven't
correct,
guessed
correct,
yet. You
correct.
guessed.
Yeah.
Are we
Alright,
ready?
guys? For the last time, this is the
Yes.
last round.
Let's go, guys.
I'm not confident, but
We will do it.
We'll
Yeah.
do it. We'll do it. Let's
Okay.
lock in.
3,
3,
2, 1.
Heretitar. Rated R.
Yes!
Sending nudes.
Very good.
Shodam pant kids mein. Shodam pan kids mein.
Yes.
What the fuck?
Kids, bro. This
No.
is
Kids?
kids. No,
Pass.
fuck this. Stir hip purple. Fuck this. Morning head. No. Morning wound.
Yes.
Shook her addy. Shook her hand.
Oh my god.
Shook her.
Oh my god.
Shukarani.
Zia, I will punch you.
Shukaradi.
Yes!
Shukaradi.
You're there.
Shukaradi.
You're so close.
Shukaradi.
Mother.
Doggies. Doggy style. Pull he.
ये नहीं आएगा.
hard
Time,
to
time,
get.
time, 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 time.
मेरे को ये ट्राई करने
और
दो. लास्ट
only
लास्ट ट्राई करना है. मुझे मजा आ रहा है. Pulling hard to get.
You're saying it, bitch.
Pulling.
Yeah.
Pulling her to
No.
bed.
No. You say it. It's written.
Pulling
enunciate.
hard
हाँ.
to get.
You're almost there.
Pulling hard to het. To get.
Hint is not easy.
Pulling hard to get.
Yes.
Sugar daddy, stripper
Sugar daddy,
pole.
bro.
Shut up and kiss me.
Yeah.
That's okay.
You did well though.
I did do well.
You got 4.
Wait, what?
That's amazing.
That's crazy.
So, but Srishti got 7. I got 4. Dhritika got 2.
I got 3.
Oh, okay, Sanjana got 3. So we
Yeah.
wanna count all of them and see who actually won.
Yes.
So these are Srishti and my cards, and that is Sanjana and Zia's cards.
Yes.
Okay, now.
We've told our producer.
Do we
behind
have a
the
clear
cameras-
winner? Do we have a tie?
What is
Have a
it?
clear winner.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we have a
Lovely.
clear winner.
Lovely.
And the winner is Kanti Aunties or Jabardast
Jabardast
Jodi.
Jabardast Jodi or Kanti Aunties? Who won?
Okay. I'm gonna first tell you how many cards
Loser.
first I'll tell you the margin of winning.
Okay.
Okay.
The margin
Oh
of winning.
my
The margin of winning is 1 fucking point.
Fuck off.
Sanjana, I will beat you up.
I will beat
think
you
one.
up.
Who
We
won?
will beat each other up
I
in
think
bed.
it's them.
I know you think it's them. Same.
Yeah, I think it's them.
Go on. Who's it?
And the winner is
Kanti Aunty.
One card. I'm so pissed.
7, 14.
एक कार्ड का डिफरेंस है. एक कार्ड का डिफरेंस है. चुप बैठो. चुप बैठो.
जीते
चुप
ना.
बैठो.
जीते ना. जीते ना.
एक कार्ड का डिफरेंस है. चुप बैठो.
First time she's losing. Let her have it.
I will hurt her.
Bro, I think the problem is me. I genuinely think, guys.
By the way, the first time that we ever shot a gaming video, Srush and I apparently
Gaming?
a game video. Srush and I were supposed to be in the same team, and she's like, bro, Dhritika मेरी टीम में मैं जीतने नहीं वाली.
Yeah.
Guess who's been losing ever since? Guess who's been winning ever
Yeah,
since?
nice. Kick a person when they are already down. Very nice. भाई मेरे को बहुत गलत लग रहा है guys.
You are not the victim.
Wait, shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
I'm the victim here.
I can't play the game. Let me at least play the victim card. भाई
फिर ले ले विक्टिम कार्ड ले ले. एक चाहिए, 2 चाहिए. Yes, sorry.
Yeah, that's really fucked up, Sanjana.
Guys,
Yeah.
I was only going to
Fuck,
clean it up. Oh, अच्छा तू भी जीत गई. तू
guys,
हार
I'm
गई ना.
really feeling bad because I keep losing in every game. I really.
Aw.
Guys, one
In
question
one
I have
minute,
for
one
you.
minute,
guys.
one
Okay,
minute.
fine.
In exchange to that, I really want you all to like this video so that I know the maximum like means that you guys are supporting me and you all are standing up for me, you all are understanding my
Like
pain
for the loser.
and sympathizing with me. So please like for the loser.
इसमें ना भी नहीं बोल सकते.
Nah, also, I'm thinking here, okay, when there is an award show or when there's something, some accomplishment that's had, or the losers are yelling and the losers are giving speeches, or is it the winners, Sanjana?
It's the winners always.
Hey, bhai, it's your first win,
Always
Sanjana.
the-
Take
it's my
it. Honestly,
it's my
Sanjana,
first-
it is your first win,
It's my
and I'm
first
glad I was the one you lost your virginity to.
I'm glad too. I'm glad you did too to me.
no, she's been winning with
I've
me.
been winning, babe.
Zitika's been winning.
Oh,
I've been
sorry,
winning.
sorry. I keep forgetting. Sorry.
Well,
My bad.
yeah,
My
but
I
I
want some consolation. I want people to come in my DMs and tell me that it's okay.
think people are already coming in your
Yeah,
DMs.
Yeah.
I want more of them.
If you win or lose.
Yeah.
And I want you all to comment and also say that it's okay, Shrishti, we are here with you.
Are we?
Not yours.
We are there. You know what's so characteristic of what's a characteristic flaw of this team?
Yeah.
That it's Srishti who's lost, and not the Zabardast. What was it?
Jodi.
Couple?
Jodi.
Not the
Zabardast
Zabardast
Jodi.
Jodi.
No, 1 minute. I'd like to establish that Dhritika has been winning, and I think it was because of me we lost. I accept it.
And
It's
are you
okay.
sorry?
That's
It's
character
okay.
Yeah, I'm
development.
very sorry.
It was a fun game though.
Yeah.
But
the seven,
maybe-
the 7 and the 7, I appreciate that.
But maybe
I
you
appreciate
individually had more than her. You don't know.
ठीक है ना, how does that matter? I know I fucked up one whole round.
Character development is what we will name
Let's
this.
develop
But I'm
this
gonna thrive on the 7 and the 7.
Yeah, bro.
Say what you want.
They didn't
Seven,
do that.
seven, 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 seven.
Chalo.
Well, anyway, guys, if you guys watched up until this point, give us an emoji.
The card emoji.
Oh yeah, let's
The card
give
The Joker card emoji.
The Joker card emoji.
Is there a Joker card?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's for you, babe.
Love that, guys. Please support me. All the people who support me, send the fucking Joker card emojis. One person
Send
can
it.
send 10 emojis also. Huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
10 times.
Unlimited.
Send it 10 times, guys.
Comment
Don't send
10
in
times. Yeah.
one comment. It'll be better for us.
More
If you do
engagement.
one. Yeah, that's better. And reply to your own comment also, and then
Like
then,
it also.
And send to your mom. And then send to your aunt. Send it to your family group. Send it everywhere, guys. We are shameless. We are besharam.
Send it
So-
to people you want to play this game with.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And
Yeah.
send it to that one friend who loses every time.
Oh yeah.
So loser.
And while you're on YouTube, subscribe to the channel. We love when you subscribe. You know, we love when you watch up until this point as well. Like this video, comment what you would like for us to play next, and
If you're watching us on Instagram, make sure you follow us. Make sure if you're watching our reels, make sure you like our reels. Make sure you share it with the friends who always lose. And comment nice things. Comment if you're in support of me. And until next time.
अरे you
Oh, sorry.
Spotify का तो भूल ही गए आप दीदी.
Sorry.
If you're listening to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a great rating, which is 5 stars. Not 4, not 3, not 2, not 1, just 5.
And until next
Until next time.
Stay besharam. Bye.
bye.